Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually open your Tesla vehicle. So if you're stuck in here for whatever reason you're watching this video, you might have to look down here. There could be a little rubber mat. Just lift that up and you can see a little box. It'll look like this. It'll have the symbol on it. All you have to do is lift up on this and the door will open. So let's do this now. And the door is open, so you don't have to press this button down at all. So this is the electronic lock. Now in the back here, it's going to be a little bit different. You can see down here, you just have to lift up and then it reveals this little ribbon cable. And then you can just pull it. And it'll unlock your vehicle. So if you get stuck, maybe, I don't know, you're underwater or something like that, you can just yank that. And then you should be able to open up the vehicle if for whatever reason the electronics are not working. Then I'll show you in the back here, there is a release for the charger right here. If you look, there's this little ribbon cable. If your charger ever gets stuck, you can release it right there. And I don't know if they have one for the back door here, but yeah, that's how you open up the passenger and the driver's side door. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.